Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience with the service. Pathway Genomics offers a wide range of DNA testing services, covering areas from ancestry and inherited traits to personalized wellness plans based on your genetic predispositions. Their website, pathwaygenomics.com, serves as a comprehensive resource for understanding their offerings. You can explore various testing kits designed to provide insights into your genetic makeup and how it influences different aspects of your health and well-being. They appear to offer personalized reports that break down complex genetic information into actionable steps you can take to improve your health. The website likely details the science behind their testing methods and emphasizes their commitment to accuracy and privacy. While I haven't personally used their services, exploring their website suggests they provide a significant amount of information about their various testing options, allowing potential customers to make informed decisions about which test best suits their needs. They seem to focus on empowering individuals to take control of their health through a deeper understanding of their genetic blueprint. Pathway Genomics presents an accessible platform for those curious about exploring their DNA and potentially unlocking valuable insights into their ancestry, health risks, and overall wellness. Navigating their website appears relatively straightforward, allowing visitors to easily browse the different tests available and learn more about the specific insights each test provides. Remember to do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional before making any decisions based on genetic testing results. It's always a good idea to compare different providers and consider factors such as cost, the scope of testing, and the level of support offered after you receive your results. Based on their website, Pathway Genomics seems to offer a comprehensive suite of DNA testing services catering to a variety of interests and health goals.